For add no word problem sa book ni Sherman Peterson, sagutan natin. Still sa exercise 38 is this expression, cosine to the fourth of x minus sine to the fourth of x. To simplify natin yan. Be using identities ulit. So, ito. Anong magagawa natin dyan? So, as you can see, to the fourth, di ba pwede natin yung ma-express as squared, no? Pwede yan. Kasi 2 raised to the second is 4. 2 squared is 4. So, simplify natin. Cosine squared x, erase na lang natin. Di ba pwede yan? Cosine squared x to the squared ulit is cosine to the fourth x. Ganun din gawin natin sa sine. Sine squared x squared. Ayan. So, ano na to? Natandaan pa ba sa algebra? So, this is difference of two squares. Di ba? Wherein if you have a number squared minus another number square, that is just the sum of their the product of their sum and difference. Sum a plus b and yung difference a minus b. So that's the difference of two squares, yung identity na yan. So let's apply it here. So a squared minus b squared, parang ganun. So if a mo is ito, ang b mo is ito, so magiging a plus b, a minus b, no? So cosine x na lang yan. Cosine squared x, yun pala yung buong x, buong a. Okay. Cosine squared x plus sine squared x, a plus b tayo, times a minus b. Cosine squared x, cosine squared x minus sine squared x. Okay? So, ayan. And that is their equivalent. So, ito, paano to? If you're familiar with this is in the form of Pythagorean Pythagorean identity. So, this is just 1. So, if hindi ka pa familiar dun, sige, recall natin. Hindi mo pa alam yung identity na yan, cosine squared x plus sine squared x equals 1. So, sige, mag-recall tayo. Ito, if you're familiar ka ba rito sa magic hexagon kung tawagin natin? Ito yung piatos sa math. You ever heard of that? So, gawa tayo hexagon, 6-sided polygon. Dito mo makikita yung relationship ng trigonometric functions. 1 sa gitna, connect mo sa bawat bawat vertices rather. Ayan. Okay. And then, sulat mo yung sine. Sine, cos, tan. Sine, nope. Sine, ano to? Sine, tan, batas. Sine, tangent, secant. Bakit? Sulat ko ulit dito yung sine, tangent, secant. Para madaling maalala. So, yung nasa right ay laging co lang nila. Cosine, this one is cosine. Yung cos kung tawagin. This one is cotangent, yung cot kung tawagin. And this one is cosecant, yung cosecant kung tawagin, CSE. Paano natin makuha yung relationship na yan? So, yung Pythagorean triples, ano yan dito? Pythagorean identity. Tatlo yan sila. Dito mo siya makikita. Ayan, yung tatlong yan. Okay, paano nangyari? So, that will be sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals 1. And sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals 1 squared talaga yan, 1 squared. Or 1 na lang. Kung gets naman na, 1 na lang. It's parang weird 1 squared. So, sunod, tangent squared x plus 1 equals tangent squared x plus 1 equals secant squared x. And finally, 1 plus cotangent squared x equals cosecant squared x. Ayun. So, ito yung kailangan natin, which is nagamit na natin. So, yun yung other two Pythagorean identities for trigonometric. Paano to? Cosine squared x minus sine squared x. Identity din yan. Ayun, no? Ito siya, oh. Na paano natin mapapalabas na yan pala tong cosine to x? Dapat alam mo yung identity na yun, eh. So, paano? Same lang din dito. Same lang sa ginawa natin yung una. So, ito naman yung gagamitin natin. Kung kanina, sin, cos, cosine. Ngayon naman, cos, cos, sin, sin. Yun. Then, ito di ko pala nabanggit kanina, na pag plus gamit mo dyan, plus to. Pag minus naman, minus yung kabila. So, sa cosine, baliktaran eh. Diba? Kapag positive to, minus. Kapag negative naman to, ayun, plus. So, ayun, gamitin natin yan. Okay, so dito na lang ako sa gilid din. Okay, so paano yun? Cosine 2x, no? No, cosine, mag-ano ulit tayo? Theta na lang din. Cosine theta plus theta. Yun yun. Cosine 2 theta yun. Same sa sin theta kanina. That is, ano nga ulit yun? Cos, cos, sin, sin. Cosine theta times cosine theta, cos, cos eh. Minus sin, sin. Sin theta times sin theta. Diba? Kita na? This will be cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta. Ayun. So that will be, yun na yung identity niya. That will be cos 2x. So parehas lang pala sila, no? Anong identity ni cosine 2x? Pwede siyang ito, pwede rin ito. Di ba? So yun yung identity nila. Another trigonometric identity na na-derive natin. Cos 2x, pag nakita ka ng cosine to the 4th x minus sine to the 4th x, equal lang yan sa cosine squared x minus sine squared x, which is simply just cos of 2x. And, ayan. I guess that's it for this problem. Hope you learned something. Thank you.